Hey guys, this is Lucas here. Thanks for tuning back in my channel. This is going to be the running review of the KYOSHO RAIDER Pro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get her booking. Let's turn this baby on. Running pretty good, I'd say. So like I said, these cars handle really well once you get them dialed in. Oh, that's that direction. Let's go this way. So that's why I definitely recommend getting one of these cars if you see them. The RAIDER or the RAIDER Pro, it don't matter. They're both really good cars. As long as you don't spin out like I do. I would say the speed on this thing's probably around 25 miles an hour or so. And of course that's with the 19-turn motor I got in it. So minus a couple miles an hour or 3 or so. So probably around 21 miles an hour. I'm thinking this one would probably do. With just a standard 05 motor. And you're probably wondering, what kind of radio am I running in this bad boy? We're running an Airtronics 2-channel, the VT model. It's probably from 1985, I guess, 84. I love this thing. Gotta go vintage with vintage sometimes. So I would say that it has a nice wind out. This one does. And I told you the body looks amazing. So look, body looks good. I wonder if I should go ahead and hit a ramp. I don't know. Probably not gonna hit the ramp. There's a ramp right here. There we go. Okay. I think that probably should. Yeah. Now she's all muddied up. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know I have a good time. Well, that's where we're gonna keep it, guys. I got some cleaning to do. Thank you for watching my channel. Please hit a like. I'd love for you to subscribe. Bye. Boy, I got some cleaning to do now.